The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a place of enchantment and wonder. This vast tropical expanse covers approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, spanning 9 South American countries. Its uniqueness lies not only in its sheer size, but also in its unparalleled biodiversity. The Amazon is a living laboratory of life, with countless species still undiscovered by science. Let's delve into the depths of this extraordinary rainforest and explore its many wonders. The specialty of the Amazon rainforest. What sets the Amazon rainforest apart from all other ecosystems on Earth is its staggering biodiversity. It is home to around 390 billion individual trees belonging to over 16,000 species. These towering giants are joined by a myriad of plant species, from tiny orchids to massive ferns. But the diversity doesn't stop at flora. The Amazon boasts an estimated 10% of the known species on the planet, which equates to about 1.4 million animal species, many of which remain undiscovered. Animals of the Amazon. 1. Jaguar, Panthera onca. The Amazon's apex predator, the jaguar, is the third largest big cat in the world and a symbol of the rainforest's untamed wilderness. With its sleek coat adorned by beautiful rosettes, the jaguar prowls through the thick understory, hunting capybaras, peccaries, and deer. It's a vital link in the rainforest's food chain, maintaining the balance of species populations. Two, harpy eagle, Harpia harpyja. The harpy eagle is the Amazon's largest and most powerful raptor. With its striking appearance, slate-gray feathers, a distinctive double crest of feathers on its head, and massive talons, it rules the canopy. This apex predator preys on tree-dwelling mammals and large birds, including monkeys and sloths. 3. Poison dart frogs, Dendrobatidae. The Amazon rainforest is home to a kaleidoscope of colors in the form of poison dart frogs. These tiny, vibrant amphibians sport toxic skin secretions, a defense mechanism that has fascinated biologists. Indigenous peoples of the region have used these toxins to poison the tips of blow darts for hunting, hence the name. However, not all poison dart frogs are lethal. Their toxicity often depends on their diet. Four. Three-toed sloth, Bradypus espepot. The slow-moving three-toed sloth epitomizes the Amazon's relaxed pace of life. Hanging from branches high in the canopy, these creatures are virtually impossible to spot amidst the lush foliage. They subsist primarily on a diet of leaves and spend most of their lives upside down, which has led to their unique adaptations, such as having internal organs attached to the rib cage. Five. Pink river dolphin, Inia geoffrensis. The Amazon River plays host to an enchanting creature, the pink river dolphin. 6. Leafcutter ants, Atta spp. In the Amazon rainforest, even the tiniest creatures can be astonishing. Leafcutter ants are a prime example. These ants are known for their tireless foraging efforts, carrying leaf fragments back to their underground colonies. They don't consume the leaves themselves, but use them to cultivate a specific fungus that serves as their primary food source. The intricate social structure of leafcutter ant colonies, with different castes of ants fulfilling specific roles, is a marvel of natural engineering. Seven. Golden lion tamarin, Leontopithecus rosalia. The Amazon is not only a sanctuary for terrestrial life, but also a treasure trove of primate species. The golden lion tamarin, a small, strikingly colored monkey with a bright orange coat and a long, flowing mane, is one such gem. Native to the rainforests of Brazil, these primates are known for their agile movements through the canopy and their melodic vocalizations, which help them communicate and maintain social bonds. Eight. Macaws, Ara spp. The Amazon's vibrant parrots, particularly the macaws, grace the rainforest canopy with their iridescent plumage. With colors ranging from brilliant blues and fiery reds to stunning greens and yellows, macaws are not only visually stunning, but also important seed dispersers. They feed on a variety of fruits, spreading the seeds of many tree species across the forest. The Amazon rainforest's unique biodiversity is a testament to the intricate web of life on our planet. Its diverse array of flora and fauna, from the smallest leafcutter ant to the majestic jaguar, highlights the importance of preserving this extraordinary ecosystem for future generations to marvel at and study. The Amazon's irreplaceable role in maintaining global climate stability and its status as a living treasure, chest of life, make it a natural wonder that merits our utmost protection and conservation efforts. The Amazon rainforest, with its astonishing biodiversity and ecological significance, continues to be a source of inspiration and discovery. As we conclude our journey through this incredible ecosystem, remember that its survival is not only crucial for the countless species that call it home, but for the health of our planet as a whole. Let's do our part to protect and preserve this invaluable treasure. Thank you for joining me on this adventure into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. If you enjoyed this exploration of nature's wonders, stay tuned for our next YouTube video, where we'll embark on another fascinating journey into the world's remarkable ecosystems. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you there.